Good morning, children. In the previous class, we learned about the wired network. In this class, let us learn about the wireless network. What is a wireless network? A wireless network is a network which works without wires to share or transmit data and resources through Bluetooth, infrared trace, radio link, microwave, or satellite link. All these are the examples for wireless network. Alohanet is considered as the first wireless network. It was made by Hawaii by a university in 1971. So let us see that how the wireless network works. First is the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless technology which uses radio frequency to transmit information over short distance. It allows communication device between several devices at a time. It can work only short distance, generally 10 meters or less. The next one is infrared waves. Generally, we will find all this one in the domestic products like television, AC, and stereos. They are used for communicating between devices that are not very far, such as TV, AC, stereos, etc. This type of communication uses infrared light to communicate between two devices. It can work only for short distances. It cannot penetrate walls. It affected by distance, noise, and heat. Radio waves. Radio waves are the electromagnetic signals that are transmitted by an antenna. They are omnidirectional waves. They travel in all directions from source. Radio waves transmit music, conversations, pictures, and data. For example, AM and FM radio, television, cordless telephones, cellular phones, pages, wireless LAN, etc. use radio waves to communicate. Radio waves can travel long distance and can penetrate the buildings. Next one is satellite communication. Whenever you say the satellite communication, the communication will send through the satellites. Generally, satellite communication is widely used all over the world, allowing users to transmit a signal to any part of the Earth's surface. When a signal is sent to a satellite, either reflects back or it will go to other satellite. This way it can reach anywhere on the earth. Nowadays satellite transmission is extensively and by major television broadcasting companies. In this one we have two types, 3G and 4G. 3G is the new generation of wireless network. It has increased the speed of the communication. Next one is the fourth generation. It is the successor of technology of 3G. It offers more bandwidth and services compared to 3G. The bandwidth is approximately 100 mHz. Next one is wireless fidelity. or you can say Wi-Fi. This is used nowadays almost all in all the devices, especially electronics. Wi-Fi uses the radio waves to allow two or more devices to communicate with one another. The technology is most commonly used to connect devices like uh, computers, tablets, and mobile phones to the internet. It typically provides the network access for few hundred feet with a network speed of expect approximately 54 Mbps. One advantage with Wi-Fi is that we can protect it with password. This is about wireless network, children. We discuss about types of other networks in coming back classes. All the best.